So I started barrel racing, or actually started riding horses when I was between 3 and 4 years old. My mom's side of the family, almost everybody rode and competed in the rodeo. That definitely has influenced the style of Revolution Roads. Hi, I'm Stephanie Ritchie, founder of Revolution Rose, and we're here in Pilot Point, Texas.
This right here is the point. Pilot Point was named after, and the cowboys would camp out here, and it would be kind of a meeting spot, this grove of trees right here on this hill.
Revolution Rose was founded in 2018. It started as a pop-up shop at our barrel racing productions. I have kind of a collection of boho vibe and Western vibe to it. I keep that because that's kind of who I am at heart.
I feel like our customer is a little bit more modest, doesn't show a lot of skin, so I try to buy for the customer. Okay, so we're here at the store. I'm gonna show you guys around just a little bit.
So in the fall of 2019, we were about a year old, we decided to open an online store. LTK.com was born. With LTK Connect, I'm able to narrow down really quickly the influencers that I want to work with and, really quickly go and see their style. The price is on there, so I already know how much it's going to be. One of my favorite features is they have an option where you can decide when you're creating your campaign if you want to drive sales or if you're just driving awareness for your business. Just the use of influencers has grown my business at least 25% for January to May 2022. Anytime that we use an influencer, whatever she chooses to focus on sells out. So I'm really selective with what I send because I want to make sure that I have enough of it. So I would highly recommend LTK Connect to any business owner looking to grow their business. Knowing I've helped other women and supported their small business, it means a lot to me because I know that there's been a lot of women who have supported me and my business, and not only my business, but in life in general. That's what we all need. We need community. We need to support each other. It's the backbone of our country, and that's really important to me, is to support small businesses.